Welcome to our Lesson 9 of Introduction to IT for Business course. We live in an information technology century, and now people of different ages use these technologies for different purposes. At the core of the Internet world, there is information that plays a crucial role. So what is information? Information is a statement or statements or fact or set of facts that are received by a human and that represents value to a recipient. People have access to any information. The problem is to find the right piece of it. Today, we will have an overview of searching techniques and methods, and I will tell you about the ways to find just the information you need. Search techniques. Most information is found on the internet by utilizing search engines. A search engine is a web service that uses web robots to query millions of pages on the internet and creates an index of those web pages. Internet users can then use these services to find information on the internet. There are many search engines available like Google, YouTube, Yandex, Baidu, Bing, etc. Let me tell you about several rules of thumb for precise information search. First, beware of stop words. Many search engines will strip out common words they refer to as stop words for each search that is performed. For example, instead of searching for "why does my computer not boot?", the search engine would search for computer and boot. To help prevent these stop words from being stripped out, surround the search with quotes. Second rule: formalize with booleans. Many search engines allow Boolean logic operators to help filter out bad results. Although common Booleans include and, or, and not, most search engines have replaced these keywords with symbols. For example, to find computer help while excluding the results containing Linux-related information, you would type computer space help minus Linux. The minus Linux tells the search engine to exclude any results containing the word Linux. Third rule of thumb: know available features. Many search engines allow for additional syntax to help limit your search strings. For example, Google enables users to search for links to a particular page by typing link and other keywords at the beginning of the search query. For example, to see who is linked to LinkedIn, you type link https://www.linkedin.com in the search box. Information search in Google. Google is one of the most popular search engines. It is so popular that we now have a new word to find information: Google it. While you can just type the question to which you want an answer, there are also some other useful ways to find data or information. First, using synonyms. Our language is rich in synonyms. Sometimes this can be very convenient when doing research online. If you need to find websites on a given subject rather than those that include a specific phrase, add the tilde symbol to your search. For example, if you search for the term healthy tilde food, you will get results about the principles of healthy eating, cooking recipes, as well as healthy dining options. Second, searching within websites. Sometimes you read an interesting article on a website and find yourself subsequently wanting to share it with your friends or simply reread it. The easiest way to find the desired piece of information, again, is to search within the website. To do this, type the address of the site, then a keyword or entire phrase from the article, and it should come up immediately. 3. Using asterisk. When our cunning memory decides to prevent us from recalling that one keyword, phrase, or number we need in order to find what we're looking for, you can turn the powerful asterisk symbol. Just use this in the place of the word or phrase you can't remember, and you should be able to find the results you're looking for. Number 4, using a time frame. Sometimes we urgently need to acquaint ourselves with events that occurred during a certain period of time. To do so, you can add a time frame to your search query with the help of 3 dots between the dates. For example, if we want to find out about specific scientific discoveries during the 20th century, we can write scientific discoveries 1900 ... 2000. Number 5, finding similar websites. If you found something you really like online and want to find similar websites, type in related and then the address of the site, again without a space between them. Number 6, whole phrase. Framing the search term within quotation marks is the simplest and most effective way to find something specific and in the exact order you typed it in. For example, if you type in the words "I'm picking up good vibrations" without quotation marks, the search engine will show the results where these words appear in any order on the website, as opposed to the specific order in which you typed them. If, on the other hand, you type "I'm picking up good vibrations" within quotation marks, you'll get only those results where these words appear only in the order you typed them in. This is a great way to find the lyrics to a song when you only know one line from it. Information search in YouTube. Most of us have spent a lot of time surfing through loads of videos on YouTube. Now you might have our own preferences over the kind of videos we like to watch on the Google-owned video platform. Yet the basic fundamentals of the website remain the same. Built on that, there are a set of methods to help you surf through those videos in a smarter way. Have you ever wanted to watch a video, the name or information of which you cannot recall correctly? A song that you feel like listening to but don't remember the name of it? Use the YouTube filters is the first rule. Filters are a great way to narrow down on your research results. As soon as you make a search, a filter option on the top of the result column will let you put in advanced filters on your search. The filters are based on the upload date, time, duration, and the features that you expect in your video. The features option will help you look for only HD, only 4K with subtitles and more such options in your search results. Rule number 2. Use plus and minus in your search. These are called the Boolean operators. YouTube search allows you to add and subtract keywords from your search using the plus and minus symbols respectively. This is especially handy when the keywords you are using have an exact match with something else on the internet world. Try searching Donald on YouTube. You will most likely get search engines catering to Donald Trump or Donald Duck. What if you are looking for an entirely different Donald? You can type in Donald space minus Trump space minus Duck, and the results will not contain any videos catering to those two keywords. Rule number 3. Force exact matching. At times, YouTube shows matching results instead of the exact same keywords. As an example, upon searching for photography, YouTube will also show results for photographer or other such deviated but related words. To restrict the search results to the exact same keyword, you can use double inverted commas around the keyword. This will make YouTube look for the exact same word in the title or the description of the video. This makes more difference when the sort by option is set to anything other than relevance. Rule number 4. Using in title to find keywords in video title. If in case you remember a few words from the title of the video that you had watched earlier or can make a wild guess about it, in title comes in quite handy. The string command will give preference to search results that have the keywords that you have placed after the command in its title rather than the description. Limited but useful results can be garnered out of this simple trick. Information search is a very important skill nowadays. In our world, with tons of information available, people who have this skill to quickly find relevant and useful information are highly valued. In professional activity, it is an indispensable skill to have. Businessmen need this skill to rapidly find information for achieving his or her goals in the business plans. For students like you, being able to find and to search for useful information that is relevant to your needs is one of the key skills that can improve your productivity, efficiency, and result-oriented work. As it became apparent to you, information searching refers to well-defined, targeted information seeking for a clearly articulated information need. That is, when you have a fairly clear idea of the kind of information you need. However, information searching can also encompass searching when you do not yet have specific items to find, but have clearly identified your information needs and are relatively certain about the type of information that you require. In contrast to searching, browsing is non-targeted searching, where your information need is ill-defined or very general, or you are unfamiliar with the topic that you are researching. Browsing allows you to get a feel for a topic area, which ideally will develop into a more targeted and precise form of searching after a time. The aim of browsing is discovery. You skim and flick through information in the hope of discovering information that will help you with your task. In effect, you are looking for information resources that you do not yet know exist. Information searching by comparison involves looking for resources that you know for sure, or at least strongly suspect, are out there somewhere. Browsing allows for serendipity, the occurrences and development of events by chance in a happy or beneficial way. To sum up, information searching is an important skill to develop in yourselves. Whether you will be a businessman or a researcher or somebody else, you will always encounter a situation in your life that will force you to find a useful information to achieve some result or an important milestone in your professional activity. You will develop this skill over time if you practice regularly while doing a homework assignment or a project. Good luck in mastering information searching. Thank you for your attention. We will have our Q&A session during our lessons. Please check your timetable. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please feel free to email them to me. Thank you very much. Bye for now.